The central focus of today's video is on the advantages of in-person assessment centers. Authentic human interaction. In-person assessment centers offer authentic human interactions, allowing assessors to accurately observe candidates' nonverbal cues and behaviors. This more profound insight into candidates' personalities and soft skills can help in making better hiring decisions. Real-time adaptability. In dynamic group exercises or simulations, in-person assessment centers allow candidates to adapt and respond to real-time changes and challenges. Assessors can gauge how candidates handle unexpected situations, providing a more accurate assessment of their problem-solving abilities. Enhanced group dynamics. Face-to-face group exercises tend to foster better collaboration and teamwork among candidates, as they can easily read and respond to each other's body language. This synergy leads to a more comprehensive evaluation of how candidates work in a team environment. Immersive candidate experience. Traditional assessment centers can offer candidates a more immersive experience, giving them a glimpse into the company culture and work environment. When this is a positive experience, it can leave a lasting impression and increase candidates' enthusiasm for joining the organization. Hands-on practical assessments. Certain roles require hands-on practical assessments, such as technical tasks or manual activities. In-person assessment centers are better suited for evaluating these skill sets accurately. Using technology to ensure consistent candidate assessment. At Tazio, we believe in leveraging technology to replace inaccurate paper-based record keeping at assessment center. Using our tools, you can create a scoring framework to assess your candidate performance in assessment center tasks. This will ensure your assessors review candidates consistently and all scores and comments are recorded. Following your assessment center, these scores and comments can be used to provide constructive candidate feedback.
Thanks for listening. Visit our website for more information on virtual vs in-person assessment centers, the advantages and disadvantages, to ensure your scoring is consistent for assessors.